farmers, they have gathered at the Delhi-Noida border as part of their Delhi Chalo march, demanding enhanced compensation and loan waivers. Now, the police, they have intensified checks at the borders and are vigilant at the Noida-Delhi border to maintain law and order situation in order to avoid traffic congestion. Commuters are advised to avoid certain routes. In fact, emergency vehicles will be allowed to commute during traffic diversions, but massive gathering of the farmers is currently taking place on the Noida-Delhi border. A sit-in protest is also currently happening. In fact, as you can see on your screens, the agitated farmers, they are out there on the road, blocking the roads there, while also clashing with the police there. Farmers, in fact, have gathered at the Delhi-Noida border as part of their Delhi Chalo march. They are demanding enhanced compensation and loan waivers. In the meanwhile, as you can see on your screens, the police has intensified its checks on the borders. They're trying to control the situation. They are remaining vigilant at the Noida-Delhi border in order to maintain law and order situation there. In fact, my colleague Anushka joins us to get us more on this. Anushka, just give us the lowdown of what exactly is happening at the moment there.
Certainly, Osama, the farmers are right now sitting at the Mahamaya flyover. I'll request my camera person to pan around and show you some visuals from around here. We can clearly see that a leader of Bharatiya Kisan Parishad is right now addressing the whole farmers here who are sitting here. They have five key demands that they have been asking since quite a long while now. We can clearly see that amid heavy police deployment, all of this is happening. The farmers have clearly said that they have to include allocation of 10% plots and 64% increased compensation under the old acquisition law, 4 times the market rate compensation, and 20% plots should be given to the land acquired to the farmers after January 1st, 2014. What we are seeing is that thousands of farmers have joined here to protest, joined hands to protest. They have toppled 3 layers of barricading and have reached here. This whole place is merely few meters away from the Chilla border, and right now what we are seeing is that they have blocked this whole road. This is not the first road that has been affected, that has not been impacted because of the traffic. We can clearly see that Chilla border, DND, everywhere where the joining borders of Delhi and Noida have been disturbed because of this whole protest that is going on. We can clearly see lots of farmers who have been sitting here, and this protest.
We'll try and get that line fixed with my colleague Anushka there. So the protest currently taking place on the Delhi-Noida border. The farmers, the agitated farmers there. In fact, we have Anushka back online with us. Anushka, yes, please continue.
Osama, what we're trying to show the viewer is that what kind of a crowd can be seen at the Mahamaya flyover. We can clearly see thousands of farmers have joined to protest here. This protest is going on since 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and right now what we can see is that the farmers are sitting and they are quite adamant that till their demands are not met, they will keep on continuing and they'll sit here till the demands are not met, till somebody from the authority does not come here and tell them what that their demands will be met. We can clearly see that the Bharatiya Kisan Parishad leader has been addressing this whole crowd, and he has been saying that till his demands are not met, they will keep on protesting like this only. This is the Mahamaya flyover, merely few kilometers away from the Chilla border, and this whole road has been closed off because of the massive amount of protesters that have joined here. We can clearly see because of this whole protest, vehicles going from Chilla border towards Greater Noida, and also vehicles that are going to DND. All of the traffic has been impacted at the several routes. The traffic that was by the Noida in the morning have clearly that for the people, for the commuters who are about to use all these roads. We can clearly show you amid heavy police deployment, the farmers are protesting here. We'll try and talk to some farmers also. क्या नाम है आपका?
किरसन नागर।
यहाँ पर आप लोग कई घंटों से प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या मांगे हैं?
हमारी 3 मांगे हैं मुख्य। 10% भूखंड, नया भूमि अधिग्रहण कानून, और जो हमारी सरकार ने जो कमेटी बनाई थी उसकी जो सकारात्मक सिफारिश हैं जो किसान के हक में है सिफारिश, उनको लागू करना। इन 3 मांगों को लेकर आज हम आए हैं और आज आर पार की लड़ाई हम लड़ने आए हैं। अभी हमारे कुछ साथी पीछे रह रहे हैं जो जाम में फंसे हुए हैं, कुछ पुलिस ने पकड़ रखे हैं, उनके हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं। उन्हें आते ही हम फिर दिल्ली की तरफ कूच करेंगे।
आपका नाम क्या है?
सुमित चौहान।
आप किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से हैं?
हमारे यही है 10% आबादी। हमारा जी कोई मांग है हमारी, ये जो हमारे करार है, हम कोई भीख नहीं मांग रहे हैं, ये हमारे करार है। हमें 10% हमारी आबादी ये हमें चाहिए।
Clearly, they have been saying that till the demands are not met, they will keep on protesting like this only. Several of the farmers have been detained by the police, and also they are waiting for few more farmers to come here and join the protest. What we are learning from them is that they are about to march to the parliament. Right now also we can see that the parliament session is going on, and amid the ongoing session, they have said that they will march to the parliament. Some farmers even brought tractors here to this protest, and right now also what we are seeing is that amid heavy police deployment, we are showing you what kind of a barricading can be seen here. Layers of barricadings, and after that we can see police have deployed the crane, the trucks. All of these barricadings have been put in place to stop the farmers from marching towards Delhi. Also we'll show you the visuals that there is a drone deployed at this protest site here so that the security can be under control. Several officers from the UP police and Delhi police have joined here so that this remains a peaceful protest. But what we are seeing is that the farmers are clearly saying that till the demands are not met, they will keep on protesting like this. Back to studio,
All right,
Sama.
Anushka Garg, thank you very much for getting us all the latest. We'll keep track of the situation as it develops.